how do we invoke Mali offline compiler? Okay, and then I have to select this ghosty, and then here on the right side, I can hit select shader, and under compile code, make sure that we are selecting OpenGLES3X, okay, because Mali offline compiler was just expecting that from you. Then you're gonna hit compile. What I want to do right now is to, for example, take the first one I see. For example, this one is a vertex shader, so I start taking it here at version 3, or 300 in this case, until the end if, I believe. Exactly, only that I'm not gonna touch the end if. Then I'm gonna copy this into my lol.vert. Okay, the extension here is important because otherwise Mali is not gonna know if we're talking about a vertex shader. And then I'm going to open a command line here in temporal new folder, and I'm going to invoke Mali OC with the name of this vertex shader, right? Okay, which is LOL. This is how you invoke Mali offline compiler, right? But I basically just wanted to show you how to get first the shader, okay? So just do it in between the if defs.